Hi, I'm Dennis Martin, President of Demartek. In today's video, we'll discuss new features, including 16 gigabit fiber channel and HP Express writes in the HP 3-par StoreServ 7450 all-flash array. These features boost the performance of an Oracle database workload, and that can mean big returns for the enterprise. Businesses deploy Oracle databases as the back-end for applications because those applications demand high performance and reliability. Given the cost of licensing and the expense of high-end systems to support Oracle, it's no surprise that businesses are motivated to get the most out of their Oracle database environments. We ran an Oracle database workload using 8 gigabit fiber channel as a baseline, and then we replaced all of the 8 gigabit fiber channel components with 16 gigabit fiber channel components, including the storage targets. We focused on improvements in storage response time as the key metric. By replacing the 8 gigabit SAN with 16 gigabit components, including targets in the 7450 array, we saw a 21% reduction in the write I/O latency and a 15% reduction for read I/O. Write requests went from a 330 microsecond response time, already quite impressive, down to 260 microseconds. Reads went from 200 microseconds to 169. When measuring latency, remember that lower is always better. For those not ready to upgrade to 16 gigabit all at once, we also evaluated HP's 8 gigabit Express Writes technology. Express Writes is a free feature in the HP 3-par OS version 3.2.1 and higher that optimizes the array's CPU utilization to deliver better write I/O performance on 8 gigabit storage targets. Express Writes improved the write latency of the same Oracle database workload by 10%. HP System Reporter is able to build a histogram of all the latency ranges where the individual I/O requests fall. The overall I/O response time is clearly shifting to the left, which are the lower values, as we deployed 16 gigabit fiber channel and Express Writes. We also noticed that when we deployed these technologies, we no longer observed any I/Os with a latency of more than 1 millisecond. This is important because it means the CPU cores on the server are not going idle for long intervals while I/Os are completing, making the server more efficient. In an Oracle environment, that means improved transaction throughput, which may allow us to run more transactions on the server or reduce the number of cores needed. For an entire data center, there is the potential of reducing both server hardware costs and per-core software licensing costs, resulting in potentially significant savings. I invite you to review the full report, which contains additional details and performance results. It can be found on the Demartek website at www.demartek.com, or you can search for Demartek Improving Oracle Response Times in your favorite search engine. While you're on our website, have a look at our other reports, evaluations, and deployment guides. I also invite you to sign up for our free monthly newsletter. I'm Dennis Martin, and thanks for watching.